The big news over the last month is that national residential inventory has surpassed 1 million active listings for the first time since 2019. Hi, I'm Cece Summerfield, back from a brief hiatus to share the latest updates on the real estate market, both nationally and here in San Diego. This increase in inventory is something we've been eagerly anticipating for a long time, but it comes with its challenges, especially here in San Diego. Our primary issue remains affordability. What's new? Which is being impacted by the high interest rates that have persisted for nearly 2 years now. Coupled with economic uncertainty, many are unsure how to proceed. On a positive note, the rise in inventory is a blessing that supports long-term stability in the housing market. However, sellers are still adjusting to the reality of this market shift. A recent survey from Realtor.com found that 80% of potential sellers were confident about achieving their asking price, yet only 40% actually sold for their desired amount. Price reductions have become common. In fact, 18% of listings in California have seen a decrease from the original asking price. In our current market, it is crucial for us as realtors to analyze active and pending listings for price strategies, as we can no longer rely solely on the recently sold comparable properties due to these rapid shifts. Now let's take a look at the last 3 days of the market statistics in San Diego County. The median selling price for detached homes has declined for the first time in at least 6 months, now sitting at $1,028,000. Homes are selling for an average of 98% of their original list price, and surprisingly, the median days on market is just 14. Currently, there are 3,948 active detached home listings, a significant increase from a low of 2,567 in December. The most notable growth in inventory is in the condo and townhome market, with 2,454 available units. Prices remain relatively stable at this time, with a median sales price of $658,000, which is 99% of the median list price. We'll have to see if this trend continues with this increased inventory happening. It may impact prices over the coming months. In these uncertain times, it's essential to gather as much information as possible before making any significant decisions in your life, like buying or selling a home. I just want to let you know that I am here to share my expertise and help you make the best choices for your situation. The worst thing that you can do is sit and wait it out, as the real estate market is constantly evolving. There are always opportunities for those who take action. If you've been hesitant or you're adopting a "let's see what happens" attitude, I encourage you to reach out. Let's discuss how we can work together to achieve your goals.